Hey, this is Joe Burnich with Big West Marketing. In this short video, I want to talk about what you can expect if you hire us to do web design for your home service business. So I want to talk about pricing, and I also want to talk about the different packages we offer. And then I want to jump in and talk about customization and the different ways you can customize your website to fit your specific business. And then I want to talk about what happens when your website goes live on the internet and the ongoing support you're going to receive. And then I also want to talk a little bit about the technical aspects and how we're going to support you as far as email, some of the domain support, and third-party integrations. Then we can talk a little bit about SEO and some of the on-site optimization that we can do for search engines to help you get more jobs, more leads, and more phone calls for your business. And then I also want to talk about your goals and the amount of effort that you need to put in to make sure that this is the smoothest possible process from beginning to end. So let's get started right now. So let's talk pricing. Okay, prices can vary greatly depending on how many pages you want to have on your website. Now, I post all of the current pricing on our website on bigwestmarketing.com, so I highly recommend you check out the website and you go to the pricing page and you can see all of the current pricing for the starter package, plus all the pricing for extra pages that you may need. Now, if you want to talk about customization and doing specialty projects for your website, we can always jump on a free consultation and put together a custom pricing package depending on your specific needs. But you should be able to get a very good idea of what our pricing is going to cost depending on what you want just from visiting our website, bigwestmarketing.com. Now, as far as customization goes, I want to make sure you understand we do not use cookie cutter templates. This is a fully customized WordPress website. And the reason we do use the WordPress platform is because it is highly customizable. We want to make sure that your website can change and grow as your business changes and grows. So, for example, I want to pull up a couple examples here. So here's an example of a website we recently did for an electrical contractor. And as you can see, the client had a professional photographer take some pictures, which makes the website very professional and personal. Okay, I highly recommend that you take personalized pictures for your website. We can always use stock pictures, but I'm telling you right now, both for Google and for conversions, meaning once somebody lands on your website and actually wants to pick up the phone and call you, if you used personalized pictures, you're going to get better results. I've been doing this for 15 years now, and people that use personalized pictures are going to get better results than just generic stock pictures, okay? And you can see he does this throughout the website. So this is the most important picture, the homepage picture. But as you scroll down, you can see he has a personalized picture here. These are all personalized pictures that he has taken and sent over to us. All personalized pictures. And you can also see this on the About Us page as well. Personalized picture of his van. He's even got him and his wife and dogs. Personalized pictures throughout. This will make a huge difference. I'm also going to show you Jeff the 360 electrician, and this was actually taken with an iPhone that I took, so it doesn't have to be professional. The professional pictures probably will make the website pop a little bit better, but you can see here's a full team picture, another professional picture taken by a photographer. Once again, personalized pictures throughout the website, really making the website pop. Another one here for Torque Electricians. Here's a carpet cleaning website. Once again, these are just examples. There's many more examples on our website. You can use personalized video, or you can use still photography just like this. I just wanted to show you some examples of websites that perform very well because of personalized professional photography. Now, another big question that I get asked when I do a free consultation with someone is, do I own the website once it's paid for? And I'm going to give you the answer, and it is 100% yes. I know there are a lot of companies out there that do some sort of lease type situation with websites. We absolutely do not do that, okay? So once you pay for the website in full, okay, you own it, okay? We do have payment plans, or we do a half down, half the second half once the website goes live. But once the website is paid for, you own it 100%. Okay, so you can take the website, you can host it wherever you want. If you want the files, you can do that. If you want to host it with us, you can do that. But like I said, once you pay for the website, you own it 100%. It is yours. Now, that being said, once the website is live and you do own it, if you want ongoing support, which most people do, then we have got your back. We want to take as much of the technical work off your plate because we know that you're trying to run a business and you don't want to mess with running the website. So there's all kinds of things we do for you that you don't have to worry about if you host with us. Okay, so this is fully managed hosting, meaning not only do we make changes for you whenever you want, up to an hours each month, but we also do backups for you every week. We also do WordPress updates for you every week, and there's all kinds of extra stuff that you don't have to worry about. You can go to our website, bigwestmarketing.com, click on hosting, and you can see the list of all the stuff that we do for you, so it's out of sight, out of mind. Okay, so you don't have to host with us, but if you do, there's all kinds of benefits to that. Now, another thing that people need to understand is we're going to help you out with a lot of the technical stuff that you may not understand that can be overwhelming. For example, domains, meaning your website address, your .com. We can answer all the kind of questions that you have about that. We can step you through getting all that kind of stuff set up. We got your back every step of the way. We can also help you through setting up personalized emails, okay? We can help you understand that and help you get all that stuff set up. Now let's talk about SEO, search engine optimization, or ranking on Google to simplify this. So yes, we have a search engine optimization or SEO program, but a big part of that is just getting your website optimized, like the website itself. Okay, so that's separate from the monthly program, but you need to have a website that is optimized correctly. So whether or not you participate in our monthly program, you need to have an optimized website. So if you just purchase the website from us, it will be fully optimized. It'll be optimized as fully as possible with keywords, with title tags, with fully optimized content. We are very big on that no matter what. We'll do all the keyword research. We'll ask you questions on what you want to rank for based on your services, based on your goals. So you will have a fully SEO optimized website. We will also make sure your website is optimized for conversions. What does that mean? It means when somebody lands on your website, there are certain key elements that we have been testing over the last 15 years that will encourage people to either pick up the phone and call you or fill out a form. For example, we want phone numbers that stand out and are in the top right corner of every page, okay? We also want, on the mobile version of your website, we want tap to call buttons or tap to text buttons, depending on what you want. We also want bold schedule now buttons if you're doing scheduling programs. There's all these different little elements that we want to stand out so that people call you or schedule appointments with you when they land on your website, okay? This is something that a lot of web designers don't think about. They're just trying to make websites look pretty, okay? We want websites that look pretty, but we also want websites that turn into phone calls, turn into leads, turn into book jobs for your business. Conversions are very important to us. Like I said, we've been doing this for 15 years, so we also want websites that perform. Now, finally, something I want to talk about is how much effort do you need to put in when you hire us to do web design services? So in the beginning, we're going to ask you to fill out a questionnaire, and this is where we're going to get your goals and what you want from the website, because every business is a little bit different. And like I said, we don't do cookie cutter websites. We want this to be customized to your business and your goals, okay? So once you fill out this questionnaire, I'm going to get you on what's called a discovery call with Leah. This can take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, and she's going to go over the details of what you really want to get out of this website. And this is very important. This is where you're going to give her the information that she's going to turn into a website draft, okay? This is where she's going to get the information for the look and feel. This is where she's going to get information for the content, the actual text on the website. In the beginning, this is where you're going to have to put forth some effort. After that, it's going to be some tweaks and some minor feedback. And if you do this stuff in the beginning, I promise you the website is going to be amazing. It's going to pop. It's going to be like the example websites I showed you at the beginning. It's going to be like the example websites that are on bigwestmarketing.com that I highly recommend you go check out. We don't want bland websites that blend in with everybody else. We want websites that stand out. We want websites that turn into leads. We want websites that turn into book jobs. We want your website to stand out above all the competition. In order to do that, we need to work together, and we need to make this as smooth as possible from beginning to end. So if you like what you've seen in this video and you like what you see on my website, bigwestmarketing.com, I highly recommend you book a call with me and just go to bigwestmarketing.com and click on free consultation. And like I said, my name is Joe Burnich, and I hope to talk to you soon.